this guy here, Calvin Alkan, is the creator of CommandUI. And CommandUI, it might be one of your next favorite WordPress plugin because it is very powerful, very easy to use. It is just all about this toolbar here, this command bar. You can enable it by typing, because you do not need to click when you install it. You type Command K on your keyboard, and by typing simple actions on your keyboard, you can go and manage the whole WordPress website. You can create new pages, edit a page, edit a post, install new plugins, deactivate them, activate them, go and check out all your users. You can perform any action on your website. And this is very interesting because it integrates also with all the plugins that you have installed. For example, if you have installed WooCommerce and you click on Add New Product, you type on Add New Product, you can go to products, add new product, and pressing enter, you're here. You can create a product. Wow, that's a wow. You can save it here, and you can go Command K and view the product in a new tab just by typing with the keyboard. You're not happy, you can edit it. You go back here and you can basically work with your keyboard. Hi there, I am a product. So you can reach any part of your website with a simple and powerful command bar. You can even go and you see here, I can toggle dark mode and light mode. I love this function here, this functionality. And you can basically go whatever you want. Let's go to the plugins. Plugins. Yeah, I can search the repository, but I can also go to the installed plugins. You see, just to check what are my plugins. If I'm not happy, for example, with a plugin, I can, if I want to test something out, for example, let's say that I'm on the front end and I say, oh, I need to deactivate a plugin to test something. I go here, I go to the plugin that I want to deactivate. Okay, for example, I can choose to deactivate the Bloxy companion because I need to test out something. That's it. I have deactivated with a type of a keyboard, with a tap on a keyboard. I reload the page and I can go back to the plugins and I say, oh, you know what? I need to reactivate that plugin. Let's go back to the plugins, activate, and Bloxy Companion is ready to be reactivated if I want. Okay, so this is an example, but I was exploring also some other stuff. For example, if I want to go to the users and I want to see all the users, how can I do so? Go to users. All users, you see? Easy as that, all users. When you start, you also have shortcuts right inside the command bar. GNT, for example, is go to, or PNT is post types, or UU is users. Wow, let's test them out. Command K, UU, users. Okay, here I can just basically navigate into my users and I can go and check them out. For example, the administrator, and I can edit it. You see, I can quickly access the edit tab. And this is very important when you are somewhere else on the website. Let's say we are here editing our products or our homepage, and we say, oh, you know what? I need to edit a user because I need to check out something. I go to users and go to the administrator and I edit. For example, I change my password or I change something. And then I need to go back to the front end. I go to my homepage. When you start using this plugin, your productivity will skyrocket because you will be more faster than ever by navigating your own WordPress website. So this is important when you are building a website, but also when you are managing a website, because you see here you can access any action and you can perform almost any action you need on your website. And also, if you have some third-party plugins like Elementor, you go here, you can go to the Elementor homepage, for example, and you can go to the settings, Elementor settings, for example, and you can go and change settings and you can quickly access everything. Of course, if you use Elementor, there is just the Command E bar, which is more powerful inside Elementor, but as soon as you go outside Elementor, you need CommandUI. And it is a plugin that I think I will install on almost every website that I run with WordPress right now, because when you start using it, after 10 minutes, you say, okay, this is my go-to plugin for 2025 and beyond. Because, yeah, let me know what you think about this plugin in the comment section below. I'm pretty impressed, and the developer is a young guy, and his name is Calvin Alkan, and yeah, kudos to Calvin Alkan. And if you like this plugin, also kudos to this video. If you want to, give me a thumbs up and comment down below. And I'm curious to know what you think about this plugin and if you are planning to test it out. Right now, there is a promotion. I have my link down here. It is not an affiliate link right now, but maybe in the future it will be, because there is no affiliate program at the moment. and you can benefit right now until Friday, but I believe that when you were watching this video, this promotion, this launch offer will not be there anymore. Anyway, you will be able to access for a very little price, an affordable price, even without the offer. Right now there is an offer which is $49, but you see here the pricing is very affordable even without the offer, $79 per year, and you can install this on 5 websites, which is basically a great number to start out. And you can have also all the basic options right here, and you can also have more options and settings if you want to access really high level stuff and premium stuff. You can choose the agency plan, you see here. So there are 3 plans, and I don't know why here you cannot choose. Oh yes, because it's sold out, you see. And yes, of course, as soon as the promo will end, there will be again all the licenses available. But yeah, I just wanted to point out that there is a 3 license tier kind of pricing: 5 sites, 50 sites, and 150 sites, with also some kind of priority support, white labeling, and install CommandUI with Composer. I do not know what this means, but you can go and read it here. If you are a developer, maybe you know what this means, and you can check it out. There are also some other videos made by some cool YouTubers about CommandUI, and yeah, personally, myself, and I fell in love with this plugin CommandUI, and I'm testing it and using it actively on almost every website I run with WordPress. Let me know in the comment section below, and yes, just let's test it out. Ciao. Oh, by the way, my name is Pascal. Thumbs up. I'm the creator of WP Roads, which is the YouTube channel and the website where I share with you WordPress news, reviews, and tutorials all about WordPress. So if you like this kind of content, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and make sure to watch one of my videos that are appearing right now here if you want to stay on this channel, and if you want to support my work and support your work, because my videos will help improve your WordPress work. I hope so, at least. Ciao.